Within each of us, there is a wonderful capacity to consciously create a beautiful world, literally with every step we take. We can look to the wisdom of Hatha Yoga and the power of Raj Yoga to understand the secrets behind the spirit moving the body. Hatha Yoga reminds me with every posture, every breath, of the care, intention, awareness, precision required to use every limb and sense of the body in a way that promotes well-being, lightness, power. Hatha Yoga prepares the body to hold the qualities of the soul. We then move through the world with grace and dignity, creating a golden world with every step.